Hello. Good morning. This is One Service Department. This is Daniel speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can I order for my breakfast?
Certainly, ma'am. But before I take your order, do you have your menu? It's located on table beside your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Aaron and my room number is 124.
Okay, ma'am. If you're ready to order, may I take your order now?
Can I order a continental breakfast, one regular coffee, and one muffin?
Okay, ma'am. May I suggest to you your orange juice? It is also under in your continental of breakfast. Would you like me to add in your breakfast, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You order one regular coffee and one muffin for your breakfast. Did I get your order right now? Okay, ma'am. Are you paying cash or charged into your room?
Just charge it on my room.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be served in 15 minutes. Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. And have a nice day. Home service. Home service. Home service. Good morning, ma'am. Are you learning of room number 124?
Yes.
Ma'am, may your room service order. May I come in?
Yes, this one.
Excuse me, ma'am. Should I let the food in your tray? Or do you want the food into your table?
Just put it on my table, please.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are your meal or regular coffee and your muffin? Is there anything else that I can do? You, ma'am.
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. When do you want me come back to take your service, Michelle?
After 1 hour, please.